Almost died trying to hold hands. Jesus Christ. Well, I look over and we're going out of the lane on a corner. Ow, I just like hiccuped in the middle of that. That hurted. I know, it sits outside year round. Yo, don't hit that with a Grom. Yeah, come here, Brendyn.
Come here.
No, I'm waiting for Brendyn. Oh, I forgot you had that. Come on! Okay, yeah, so go! Yeah!
Okay!
Yeah! Don't hold on when you're slowing down.
Let me go in the middle. Let me be in the middle. Hold on. I don't think he enjoyed my hand.
No! You bitch! I shouldn't have shown you Fooligans videos. I already killed. I already got him.
Chef.
Where?
Hey, guess where?
I didn't know where. I was like, where? Where's the sheriff? I gave him a head nod and she just stared at me. Oh my god, it smelled like weed in there. You guys were like, oh, there's a sheriff, and I had no fucking clue where you guys were talking about. I looked to my right and I saw the front of the car. I was like, oh. And I literally gave her a head nod. She just stared at me.
It wasn't a girl.
Those don't fold down.
Oh yeah.
Is that it?
Are they just fake?
What?
That's it.
Oh. No! Oh my god, dude. We're literally gonna die on these things. No, that wasn't me. I did the longer one at the beginning. This guy probably hates us. Oh! I thought that was gonna be so much worse than it was. You ever seen a child get yeeted 40 feet in the air by a Grom? The things you tell yourself after you hit the child into the air. Just smile and wave.
Just smile and wave, boys.
Dude, it literally, I slid that whole distance and nothing. No. Oh, you fucker. No. Fuck! Bitch. Oh. Wait, what?
You've ridden it for like 10 minutes.
You went to wait, so you went to go and kick wave at somebody and you knocked your mirror off?
Yeah, I kicked the mirror.
What? Yeah, you have to tie it in with the dog. Can't find neutral. I can't find it! Ready? Here, go. Fucking go already. Far out. You can do it! Yeah, I've ridden.
I just couldn't figure out how to work the clutch. Yeah, I remember we pulled up like.
We're so good. Look at what the Make-A-Wish Foundation sponsors. No!
What a lad. We can definitely go under that.
What? She's mad.
But why?
You have to be that mom. I'm driving a Malibu. My husband bought it for me. Oh, I guess we're going this way. God, you know, that was still so funny. Stop playing games on your bikes. Like, no. Oh my God. What the fuck was that? I also have Tourette's outbursts when I'm in a group chat.
Why did he stop so far away? Oh.
That was a good one. That was dangerous. What? What is this? Is this a bank?
It's a bank, yeah. No!
Okay.
Well,
Feels
that's
bad,
awkward.
man. Feels bad. Oh my God. Ah.
Oh, sorry about that. I don't know.
Did you see those birds? What? Sneaky, very sneaky.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
Dude, it just doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, this guy's cracking out looking at us.
No, this dude's definitely drunk. Abso-fucking-lutely. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's wasted. Look how drunk this dude is, though. Really? Really?
What the
Oh.
fuck?
How?